Good morning, Dean Davis from LiveWeatherLogs.com. Meteorologist here, overnight outlook time. Let's take a look what we have on the map. We have winter weather advisories and watches here across parts of the plains up through the northeast. We have flood watches and flash flood watches here dropping from Pennsylvania all the way down here in Arkansas. Red flag warnings here in parts of Texas and New Mexico. We got the winter storm warnings all the way to the coastline here, Oregon and Washington, into Idaho, and up into Montana. And that's your picture as we go into it. Let's take a look at current temperature. Around the Roanoke Valley, you have 34 in Hot Springs, 31 Staunton, 26 Lexington, 31 Roanoke, 27 Blacksburg, 45 in Bristol, 31 in Danville, 30 in Martinsville, and 43 in Bluefield. Country around the nation. Temperatures. Temperatures here, we have 28 in Seattle, 3 Billings, 32 in Salt Lake City, 30 Denver, 40 in effect. And you see where the southwesterly wind's kicking in, 68 Houston, 68 New Orleans, 59 Tulsa, 55 Memphis. These are all going to be areas with probability of severe weather. And that'll all move to the East Coast coming up. I will show you that on the Storm Prediction Center maps and explain it in better detail. Here's our threat level. We're talking about Little Rock all the way to Memphis. Going towards Nashville, we have a moderate risk area, and then we have the slight risk area outside that, and generalized thunderstorms outside that. Tornadic probabilities, there you go. Arkansas, Tennessee, northern Mississippi, your best shot for 15 percentile for tornadoes. But the tornado threat will be all over Tennessee, Kentucky, parts of southern Illinois and Indiana, parts of Missouri, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, Louisiana, all the way to Georgia. Hail, also same area, and winds. You can see what the issue is there for winds also. And that's tomorrow, and it's all shift to the east for into tomorrow night. Let's go into the next day. All that'll push to the east in North Carolina, Virginia, parts of Maryland, down to South Carolina and Georgia. That area is going to be in a threat for damaging winds and the chance of isolated tornadoes. And that'll be on Thursday night into Friday morning. These will be low top systems, so we might not see the amount of lifts won't need to be as accurate to cause these tornadic thunderstorms. Taking a look at the soundings, you can see here, change with wind direction and height, definitely there. It increases with height. This is perfect for what you're looking for when you look for tornadic thunderstorms. This is a tornadic setup. This is Little Rock, Arkansas. Now let's talk to the photograph and how we have to have a kind of like a squiggly line. There you go. There's a squiggly line for tornadic probabilities here twice. This is a setup also for tornadoes. You see way above this classic supercell area. So what that means, tornadic thunderstorms and supercells are likely. Here's another look at another thing. Same difference. Change wind direction with height. And let's take a look over. Photograph shows the same thing. Just rotate, spinning around and click back. So this is parts of northwest Louisiana and eastern Texas. This is also an area for the probability of tornadoes. When they say we're not going to get into a favorable possibility for tornadoes in Roanoke would be a lie also. You could have the isolated chance here just by looking at here. You have to change the wind's right height and direction also there. You also have the circular motion that I'm looking for. I was talking about that in explaining the photograph. And you have the probability here with shear and winds for over a classic supercell. And the LCL is definitely getting a 1500. It's definitely looking a little better. Current radar here, CR level out of Little Rock. You can see we do have thunderstorms here, up here, and you have tracks on them. And we're talking about hail, 0.25 inch hail, 0.25 inch hail, 0.25 inch hail. And you do have the hail probabilities here. And we're going to zoom in a little bit so you can see these storms. Alright, there you go. Here's your hail. So take a look at selectivity. No greens next to red, so you don't see the rotation there. You may try to get something going here in your mountain view. Tops, they're pushing up 30, 40,000 feet here. And hail, there you see you get the brighter colors. There's your vertical integrated liquid. These two are gaining hail probabilities here, and will do so. Taking a little further deeper, it's getting more probable. So we can go back to the base velocity and the storm rate of the velocity not looking so hot. So here, like I said, there you go. Thunderstorms. These thunderstorms are moving to the north and northeast. So keep an eye on them. And we have some more storms fire to the south, and this is going to be a very busy time. So expect to continue to see more and more severe weather probabilities, and these may all go severe tonight and into tomorrow. So we'll go there. So for the forecast, we're looking at 34 overnight, 50 with rain on Thursday and Thursday night and Friday, 50 and then 61 Friday. Breezy Friday night, 32, 57 Saturday, and 64 on Sunday with mostly sunny skies becoming mostly cloudy. And for the triad, much like the Roanoke Valley, 58 Thursday, chance of showers, possibly some thunderstorms. Thursday night, 52, 60, 68 on Friday. Then sunny on Saturday, 56, 50, and 67 on Sunday for the next chance of showers moving for Sunday night. And for the triangle, chance of rain Thursday and Thursday night and Friday, 60, then 71, 57 on Saturday, with sunny skies, mostly cloudy, 68 on Sunday, going to mostly cloudy Sunday night, and possibly rain by Monday. So, severe weather probabilities are increasing in the Midwest and will push to the east and possibly on the East Coast by the time Friday rolls around. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davis, and stay with us for all the latest weather information and updates throughout the day. Dean Davis and LiveWeatherBlogs.com.